Namaskara everyone, myself Yashaswini, who teaches yoga and the shloka chanting basically in the name of Gheranda Yoga and Shloka chant with Ishu. Today we'll be discussing about Shiva Samhita. I've started my learning in Shiva Samhita and I want to share whatever the knowledge that I'm learning, I want to share with everyone. Feel free to correct me if you find if there are any corrections. So please feel free to correct me. Since I have just started my learning, there might be a little bit mistakes, so please do correct me in those cases. So let's start with Shiva Samhita. Shiva Samhita is basically the conversation between the Shiva and the Parvati, where the Shiva teaches and he tells more about the yoga, mudra, pranayama, the chakras and the yogasanas, everything to Parvati. Here in Shiva Samhita, we have 5 chapters. In the first chapter, every chapter has a different, the topics. In the first chapter, basically, he will be talking about the existence. And in the second topic, he will be giving a little bit of the philosophy, the knowledge. In the third chapter, he'll be talking about the yoga abhyasa, the few asanas like a siddhasana, padmasana, and all those things. And in the fourth topic, he'll be talking about the mudras, Jalandhara mudra, Moola mudra, many mudras. He will be talking about Vajroli mudra, Amaroli mudra, all those things. Then in the Panchamodhyaya, in the 5th chapter, he'll be talking about the chakras, the chakra vivarane, everything is being done. So we'll start with the first chapter, what exactly the Shiva is telling to Parvati. So a different kind of approach other than the Patanjala Yoga Sutra and the Gheranda Samhita. So before starting, I would like to start with the chanting of a Shiva. नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमदनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दशाध्वर नाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठकुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्रदेवार्चित शेखराय चन्द्रार्क वैश्वानरलोचनाय चन्द्रार्क वैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जठाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय. This shloka separately I have made the chanting, how do we chant this one. So this is called Panchakshari mantra basically. So Na Ma Shiva Ya. So for every letter it's every stanza basically. This one will be made in a different video, so you can follow that one and you can learn this mantra. So let's start with the Prathamodhyaya, the first chapter. In the first shloka, what the Shiva wants to let us know. So in the Prathamodhyaya, that means in the first chapter, that is existence, Atma. He wants to know, let us know about the Atma. So here in between, I'll be using the Kannada language also. Okay, na? So Atma the Layatva the Varnane. So he's giving the description basically for the soul and the existence. The first mantra, Ekam Jnanam Nityamadyanta-shunyam Ekam Jnanam Nityamadyanta-shunyam Nanyat Kinchid Vartate Vastu Satyam Yadbedosmin Indriyopadina वैज्ञानसाह्यं भासते नान्यथैव. So the meaning of this shloka is the gnana, which means conscious, alone itself is eternal. So it is without a beginning and without an end. There is no exist or no real substance other than the knowledge, the gnana. Diversities which we see in this world are results of our sense, the indriya, the conditions. When the latter ceases, when those indriya ceases, then the gnana alone will remain. Nothing else will remain in this world. So gnana is shashvata. So if I want to say the same thing in ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ನಶ್ವರ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಮಾತ್ರ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿರೋದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಆದಿಯಿಂದ ಅಂತ್ಯದವರೆಗೂ ರಹಿತವಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ್ಯವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಯ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯೋಪಾದಿ ಮೂಲಕ, ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಸವಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಕೇವಲ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಅರ್ಥ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಏಕಂ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ನಿತ್ಯಮಾದ್ಯಂತ ಶೂನ್ಯಂ ನಾನ್ಯಾತ್ ಕಿಂಚಿದ್ವರ್ತತೆ ವಸ್ತು ಸತ್ಯಂ ಯದ್ಭೇದೋಸ್ಮಿನ್ನಿಂದ್ರಿಯೋಪಾಧಿನಾ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಸ್ಯಾಯಂ ಭಾಸತೆ ನಾನ್ಯಥೈವ. So here we'll stop this video and we'll learn a little bit more in the next video. Namaskara, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.